Good morning, students. Continuation of chapter The Rise of Small Kingdoms in South India. In previous class, we discussed about the most important kingdom of that time, that was the Cholas. Today, I am going to discuss other important kingdom of South India, that was the Pandyas, and we will discuss about the important questions of the Cholas and the Pandyas. Let's proceed ahead. In this topic, we will know who was the founder of Pandyas dynasty, when they established, and where they ruled. It means in which part of India they ruled. You can see on the map, they ruled over Madurai, Tirunelveli and parts of Travancore. They ruled over Madurai, Tirunelveli and parts of Travancore. It is reputed to be the most ancient of the Tamil states. The kingdom of Pandyas was established in the 7th century CE. Kandun Gori started the Pandya ruler. It means Kandun Gori was the founder of Pandyas dynasty. The son of Kandun Gori, his name Marun Barman Avni Suleimani, came into conflict with the Pallavas. He aligned with Cholas and defeated the Pallavas. The Pandyas carried frequent wars with Sri Lanka. It means he involved continuous war with Sri Lanka. In the 11th century, they were compelled to submit to the supremacy of the mighty Cholas. But in the 13th century, they asserted their independence again under Jalavarman Sundara Pandya, who ruled from 1251 to 1272. Who was the most important ruler of the Pandyas dynasty? Answer is Jalavarman Sundara Pandya was the most important ruler of Pandyas dynasty. The Pandyas became the leading power in the south. Unfortunately, a civil war broke out among a number of contenders to the throne, which sealed the fate of these kingdoms. It means many powerful persons started fighting for the kingship, which sealed the fate of this kingdom. In the other words, the state became a bone of contention for many people. The Muslim invaders plundered and looted the kingdom and made it weak. In 16th century, the Pandyas kingdom was absorbed in the kingdom of Vijayanagar like the Chola dynasty. First question is, who was the founder of Chola dynasty? And answer is King Vijayalaya was the founder of Chola dynasty. Okay, now come in second question. Who was the most important ruler of Chola dynasty? And answer is The most important ruler of Chola dynasty was Raja Raja I. So Raja Raja I was the most important ruler of Chola dynasty. Now coming question number 3. Who built the famous temple Raja Rajeshwar at Tanjore? And answer is Raja Raja I built the famous temple Raj Rajeshwar at Tanjore. Now coming question number 4. Who spread the messages of Vedas among common people? And answer is Raja Raja spread the message of Vedas among the common people. Now coming next question. Who took the title of Gangai Kondai? And answer is Rajendra Chola took the title of Gangai Kondai. It means victor of Ganga. So correct answer Rajendra Chola. Now coming next question. Who was the founder of Pandya's dynasty? And answer is Kandun Gauri was the founder of Pandya's dynasty. Now coming next question. Who was the important ruler of Pandya's dynasty? Answer is Jalbarman Sundara Pandya was the important ruler of Pandya dynasty. Again I repeat, Jalbarman Sundara Pandya was the important ruler of Pandya dynasty. Now next question. What was the main achievement of Raja Raja I? The main achievement of Raja Raja I was as under. Answer is the main achievements of Raja Raja I were as under. First, he persuaded a policy of conquest for 14 years. Second, he conquered the Chalukya kingdom of Bengi and captured Kerala and Madurai. Third, he was built the famous temple Raj Rajeshwar at Tanjore. The walls of the temple depict his conquest. And last, Raja spread the message of Vedas among the common people. My dear students, these all questions are also very important for your examination. So you have to note down in copy and also have to learn. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.